the rocket gnome has finished printing, and just checking the carbon fibre, still smooth and no black residue or any form of residue is left from the carbon fibre rods. They don't look as though they've worn out. Seems to work pretty well. So I've been printing a couple of hours so far with this carbon fibre tubing on the X gantry, and I've got to say, it's holding up really well. I'm actually quite surprised. If I knew this was going to be this good early on in the build process of this build series, I would have used carbon fibre as opposed to aluminium. And you've got to agree, carbon fibre just looks awesome. It makes everything better. It might be premature to claim that carbon fibre is the way to go on this X gantry, but so far I am really impressed with the way this is performing. It's just as good as the anodized aluminium. I've only been printing for a couple of hours. I really need to put a good 10 to 100 hours through this printer with this carbon fibre to make sure that it is going to last as X gantry rails for the Hypercube. But I'm not the first person to use carbon fibre on the 3D printer. There are comments on the Thingiverse page where others have used carbon fibre with success, and we can find carbon fibre tubing almost anywhere. Just make sure you find the rolled carbon fibre, not the protruded carbon fibre, as the rolled carbon fibre has the fibres going along the tube and also around the tube, where protruded only has the carbon fibres going along the tube, which means it's quite easy for them to splinter and split along the length of the tube. I picked these up off eBay, but I didn't realise at the time that Banggood sold these, and they are pretty cheap on Banggood as well. I'll keep you all updated in future videos on the progress of printing with these carbon tubes, just to ensure that they are going to stand the test of time. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a